As a brand new upgraded version of C8 Series, Sany C10 Series 12T single drum roller is improved in the terms of technology and reliability. It's a full hydraulic-driven product with strong power. It can adapt to various complex working conditions, the gradability is high, and the speed will not drop when operating at high altitude. The operation is comfortable, and the shifting between forward gear and reverse gear is simple and convenient, so that it can ensure the flatness of pavement, and the operation will not be affected by starting impact and indentation. It has high compactness efficiency and quality. The double frequency and double amplitude vibration mode, strong exciting force, and short vibration start-stop time offer high construction efficiency. As compared with the previous product, the exciting force is improved by 10%, and the compaction efficiency is improved by 15%. It's highly reliable and durable. The hydraulic system is based on the large displacement vibration pump and vibration motor, so that the system pressure is low. The vibration bearing is fitted with Sany's unique rat bag type lubricating device, so that it is highly reliable, and its service life is extended to over 5,000 hours. It's safe in operation. 3-level braking, service braking, parking braking, and emergency braking, which improves the safety and reliability. Optimal view on each operating position in the cab and the view via the rear window with up to 1 by 1 meter. Footpads is optional for SSR 120C10 with the capacity of mixing, rubbing, and tamping. Be widely used in the compaction of clayed soil for roadbed, cushion, and dam, etc. Sany C10 Series roller makes the road construction safer, easier, and more efficient.